Ghana South.
Thank you, Chair. I just want to clear one thing. You are persistent in saying it is silent, the law is silent on TPEX. Are you telling this committee that whatever is silent in the law, the answer is yes, people can go ahead to it?
Chair, I would say yes. And reason being, I think the fruit of us doing that is self-explanatory. That here, where I have an audience, where the parliamentary elections, myself and the commission actually put you in those positions. It was the same elections that put you as honorables.
Kasumsa, please.
You said you and who you put as well?
The same forms you are questioning, the incompetence you are talking of, are the ones that allowed you to be the honorables today as you're sitting.
That is the most, so gross indiscipline and incompetence. And you are undermining this committee.